I found a beautiful image on a public domain website, but the resolution is super low. How can I upgrade the resolution, or in professional terms, upscale? Hi, my name is Alon, and today this is a very quick tutorial on upscaling images on Figma Weave. I'm going to compare a few different upscale models and help you choose the right one, both from a perspective of credits and doing the best job. Let's dive right in. So I found this image on public domain image archive, which I really like, but as you can see, the resolution is super low. It's 450 on 650. And if I really want to use it, I don't have many details in this image. So let's see which ones of the AI models does the best job. I'm switching into Weavy right now, and what I'm doing over here is first uploading an image. So I can do add more images and upload my image using the import image node. Then what I'm doing over here is connecting it through the router. And the reason why I'm doing this is just in order to split it into a few different models so we can compare. So let's see which models I'm actually comparing to. And these are all edit models, which you can see over here. So we have a full category of edit image models, which can accept an image and then perform some kind of procedure over it. In this case, what I'm doing is I'm passing in a prompt, and let's look at the prompt. And the prompt says, perform a lossless style upscale of this image. Maintain strict one-on-one geometric and structural fidelity. So all of this is basically saying, keep the image as is, but remove compression, artifacts, and noise while preserving the original textures and edges. All in order not to change my image, but just to improve it. So this is the prompt that I'm passing. I'm also doing the same trick. So basically using a router over here, which can help me split all the different prompts into different models. From the very top, I'm going to check Seedream V5. And in this case, let's do a comparison. So Seedream did a pretty good job. I'm actually using also the compare node, so I can do this. I can compare between the original one and the new and improved version of it. It did a good job restoring both style and text, so good job. Also, 4 credits, so pretty good. The only thing which I don't like is, even though I gave it I said match the input image, it seemed to squeeze my image into a one-on-one version. I'm going to run it again, maybe it would solve it. Next one in line is Quen Image Edit 2511, which I really like. But in this case, even though we passed the prompt, it didn't do a very good job restoring the details. So we can do the comparison, but even though in many cases this is a really good model that I love, the job that it did wasn't that good. Next one in line is Google's Gemini 3.1 Flash, which is also called Nano Banana 2. Let's see the job that it did. So pretty good. The text is superb. Let's see if it also didn't alter the image. And this is great. This is fantastic. So again, just in order for you to see, this is the low resolution, high resolution. Good job. Good job, Google. Next one is Topaz Image Upscale. Now, this one is actually pretty costly. This is 19 credits. Also, Magnific is another one which kind of like restores details, but both of them are very expensive from perspective of credits. So I would say only use it if you really need something like an image, like upscaling an image. Let's see what happens. So in this case, good job, but look at the text. So in this case, not so good. Also, this one, I think Google actually did a better job. Next one in line is Recraft Crisp Upscale. One of my favorites. One of the reasons is also you don't need to write anything. It upscales automatically. It did a good job. I think the only thing which I'm missing right here, maybe could be solved in a prompt, but doesn't accept a prompt, is the fact that it didn't restore a text well. So this one, again, pretty cheap. It's 5 credits, but ended up not doing the best job. So with all these different types of upscalers, I would say Dream is great and pretty cheap. I think that Nano Banana Pro actually did a great job, and you can check the rest of them and let me know what you think. I'm going to share the link to this file so you can actually play with it and compare by yourself. Thank you very much.